At Get Ready to Grow, we welcome you with open hearts. Our aim is to help you grow and thrive in life. We have helped hundreds of people just like yourself. Our focus is to help you be confident, proactive, and productive. We understand that everyone goes through a time in life where they need extra support. As your well-wisher, we are here to help you achieve positive results. We believe it's about how we react and take the next steps, right? So in our coaching, we will help you to be mindful and responsive. Through our guidance and support, we will coach you to be the best version of yourself. Our approach is pretty simple and straightforward. With our impactful strategies and uplifting wisdom, we cherish you to be abundant and nurture you to be successful in achieving your goals. Please take your time to go through our programs and workshops on this website and let us know how we can best serve your needs. One of our dedicated coaches will get back to you and help you win big in life. Remember, life is what we make of it. So get started today. See you soon.